Let's cook Pickle Express like no other. A favorite with my siblings. Let's get cooking! Let me share why my siblings and I absolutely love Pickle Express. This iconic dish from the Bicol region of the Philippines is a perfect blend of creamy coconut milk, tender pork, and spicy chilies. The flavors are bold and comforting, making every bite a delightful experience. Hindi tinipid! We love how it brings us together for hearty meals filled with laughter and great conversations. If you haven't tried Bicol Express yet, you're missing out on a true culinary gem. Give it a try and see why it's our favorite.